So yesterday something happened. I was away from my office. I went to pick up some products that I ordered for. When somebody started calling me, it was a lady's voice. She said she wanted to do a checkup and she was already waiting for me at the office. Due to how she sounded, I decided to abandon what I was doing and started hurrying back to the office so I could attend to her. Unfortunately, when I got to the office, met her, sat down with her, and then started asking her to know exactly what she wanted, it turned out that what she really needed was not the kind of checkup that we do. So she needed a proper lab test where her blood samples would be taken to diagnose her. Despite the fact that I had to abandon what I was doing to hurry back, I didn't mind. I decided to let her know that this is not what she needed at the moment, that she needed to go for a proper laboratory test. A lot of people mistake our quantum analysis with a medical laboratory checkup. They are two different things. So what we do here is general body analysis. So this machine, this device uses technology to analyze your entire bodies, your cells, your organs to look for weak signals so that it can point out areas in your body where you might be having problem or where you might soon be having problem. So it's actually different from when you go to a laboratory, you want to do a malaria test, for example, they take your blood sample to check if there are malaria in your blood, or when you want to check for gonorrhea, staphylococcus, and they take your blood samples to check for specific infections or specific things, or when you want to do a scan, like a pelvic scan, to check for your organs to know how they are doing. That one is a quite different thing. This one does not do all of that. What we do is a general body analysis. So within 60 seconds, this device will analyze your body from head to toe to find out where there might be problems. So if there's a problem in your gastrointestinal tract, it's going to point it out. If there are problems in your reproductive system, it's going to point it out. If there are hormonal problems, it's going to point it out. If there is immune weakness, it's going to point it out. So generally, what our own quantum analysis does is that it helps to point your attention to areas that might be having problem or areas that are experiencing certain level of weakness so that you can pay proper attention. In fact, most of the times after running a quantum check, we might even have to recommend that the person goes for a proper medical lab test or a specific kind of scan to confirm what we are suspecting. It is designed in a way that it works with our own kind of treatment. You know, what we do is holistic treatment. With this device, we'll be able to know areas that our medications are supposed to touch. So is this better than a lab test? No. Is a lab test better than this one? No. They each have their own parts to play. This works better if you want to do our holistic treatment. Our herbal or holistic kind of treatment works best with this kind of diagnosis because this one we're able to analyze you from head to toe so that when we are treating you, we treat you as a whole being.